Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Website Candy, and today I want to make you guys a video and I want to show y'all how you can copy right from your iPhone. As you can see my iPhone here on the screen, and I'm uploading some keywords to my new channel here. And if you're not aware, I have a new channel and the name of it's called Keys. And I'm just talking about different things and different stuff. And honestly, I would like for you guys to come over and subscribe. However, here's a quick little tip right here, how to copy right from your phone right to your Apple computer. And you don't have to have your phone connected to your computer to do this. You can just do it wirelessly. It all works together as long as you're logged into the same iCloud account. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to my notes. And when I click into my notes, I'm going to just highlight the word discussion. And when I hit copy, and I'm putting my phone down, and now what I'm about to do is just hit Command V on my computer, and you can see the word discussion popped in right there. I'm gonna do the word facts, and I'm gonna say copy, and I hit Command V, and you see the word facts pops right in there. Now I'm gonna just select both of these at the same time, and I'm going to, if I can grab them there, and hit copy both of them, and I hit Command V, and it's going to put both of them in there for me. Let me copy one more time, copy, and then I hit V. And you see it put them in there both together, but I don't really want them together. So it's not necessarily a video on how to do keywords. It's just really a video on how to copy and paste between the iPhone and your Apple computer. So let me get the word communication there, and I hit copy that one right there, and I hit V, and communication is there. And it's that simple. It's real easy. So anything you copy on your phone, you can also paste right on your computer and vice versa. So let me do that real fast. So right here, the word skin, I copy. I don't know why I have the word skin as a keyword there, but over here on my phone, I'm gonna hit enter and hit enter one more time. And when I say paste, you can see the word skin is pasted, and it says notes pasted from Daniel's iMac. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. And thanks for watching. Peace out.